are pleased to show you 2021 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.